Upgrade your speaker. Adapters enable you to upgrade your vehicle-specific factory speakers with aftermarket speaker into the factory locations. Speaker compatibility. Fits most 6.5 inches or 6.75 aftermarket speakers with a maximum top mount diameter of 5 13/16, 148 mm. See measurements image to verify that your speakers will fit in these adapters. Vehicle compatibility. Fits select 2003 up VW vehicles. See fit guide image to verify that these adapters will fit your vehicle. Quality materials. High-grade ABS materials, precision designed for a gapless fit between the speaker and the adapter, providing a long-lasting, secure fit. Buy with confidence. Backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty. The Scosche SAVW651 speaker adapter pair is designed for upgrading your factory front door speakers to most 6.5 inches or 6.75 inches aftermarket speakers with up to a 5 13/16 top mount diameter into the factory speaker locations on select 2003 up VW vehicles. Made from high-grade ABS materials to ensure durability and longevity, and engineered for a precise fit for your new speaker install. We are so confident in the quality that we back the speaker adapters up with Scosche's lifetime tech support and our limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. 95 Honda Prelude. The original speaker grills for the Prelude were dirty and gross. I wanted to add a little style to the interior. So these were worth a try. I secured them to the rear deck using industrial-grade Gorilla Glue. Then inserted the speakers. I have less than a millimeter before the grill touches the rear glass. So anyone out there looking for a solution for their rear decks, this is viable.